In cities around the world, motorists and pedestrians alike face the brunt of heavy traffic. There is an enhanced problem of increasing pollution, global warming, parking congestion, and most importantly, the ever-increasing cost of travel.
Just to compare, something like America, there about 1,000 people own almost like 900 cars. And you go to Europe, it's about 350 to 400. Now, if you come to India, major cities have in the range of about 65 to 70 cars per 1,000 people. And then if these things become 150 and then they become 300 cars per 1,000, then you are really going to have a chocker-blocker kind of situation all over the country.
Due to the absence of an effective, speedy, dependable and affordable public transport system, today we are all witness to a phenomenal growth in the use of private vehicles for intra-city travel. The land on the banks of River Sabarmati, Ahmedabad, has been one of the most important cities in the history of India. Expected to host over 10 million residents by 2031, the city lives a fast-paced lifestyle. It thrives in culture and is a major contributor to India's overall economy. However, the story of Ahmedabad was no different from that of any other fast-growing city in the country.
अहमदाबाद में हर साल 4 लाख से भी ज़्यादा व्हीकल ऐड हो रहे हैं, रास्ते उतने हिसाब से बढ़ नहीं रहे हैं।
वो समय कभी नहीं भूल सकता जब पॉल्यूशन अहमदाबाद की पहचान थी। कैरोसिन पर रिक्शा चलते थे और घर से निकलने का मन भी नहीं करता था।
मैं काम पे जाने के लिए बाइक चलाता हूँ, दूर दूर तक काम के लिए जाना पड़ता है। हम मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं और ऊपर से बढ़ती हुई पेट्रोल की प्राइस, तो बहुत दिक्कत होती है। बोलो हम क्या करें?
As a heavily polluted city with roads choked with vehicles, there was a time when the residents of Ahmedabad suffered every day. The public transport system was highly ineffective and the traffic problem was left unchecked. Aiming at solving these inherent problems and keeping a futuristic vision, in 2006, a revolutionary new public transport system was born. The Janmarg.
जैसे युग बदलते हैं, जीवन शैली भी बदलती है। आज का युग गति का युग है। गति को भी संभालना और सुविधा को भी संभालना, गति बरकरार रहते हुए सुविधाएं बढ़ती चले, इस मकसद को लेकर के बीआरटीएस का प्रारंभ हुआ। आज लाखों की तादाद में लोग बीआरटीएस के माध्यम से अपने गंतव्य को पाते हैं, अपने सपनों को सजाते हैं और मंजिल की और तेज गति से बढ़ रहे हैं।
From the time of its inception, people of Ahmedabad have witnessed an undeniable transformation of international standards.
બીજેપીએ આપણા ગુજરાતને બનાવ્યું છે, અમે તો એવું જ ઈચ્છીએ કે પૂરો દેશ આવો જ બની જાય. આપણું જન્માર્ગ, આપણું ગુજરાત.
If you look at the other countries and cities like Bogota and Namada and the Seoul, The number of the commuters are around 40 to 50,000, and the number of the buses they are running every day is around 10,000 or 6,000 or 8,000. Whereas in Ahmedabad we are moving 1,35,000 people in 102 buses only. This is an achievement of the city, and this is an achievement of the transport system in Ahmedabad.
Adding a beautiful view to the cityscape, it ensures heavy reduction in pollution and promotes cleanliness and greenery everywhere. A fully equipped bus workshop provides necessary training to the personnel and an exclusive docking ground for maintenance of the buses. For affordability and comfort, the public was given an obvious choice. Janmarg is also India's first bus transport service offering highly economical smart cards.
Today only at ₹3, I can proudly say that Ahmedabad BRTS is the most cheapest and comfortable way of commuting in whole country.
हाँ साहेब, આ BRT બસ ગાડી બહુ સારું છે, ₹3 કરે છે, બહુ સારું છે, અમારા માટે બહુ સારું ઝડપી પહોંચાય છે. પછી જે ભાજપ સરકાર છે બહુ સારું, આવું સરકાર કોઈ કરે એમ છે નહીં.
BRTSના કારણે ટ્રાફિકની સમસ્યા ઓછી થઈ ગઈ છે અને અમારા રિક્ષાના ધંધા ઉપર ખાસી અસર પડી છે. કેમ કે બધા પબ્લિક બી BRTSમાં જવાનું બહુ જ પસંદ કરે છે અને અમે બી પોતે ક્યારેક પરિવાર સાથે કે ફરવા જઈએ તો BRTSમાં જ ફરવા જઈએ છીએ.
People should be able to live close to their workplaces, close to their entertainment places and reduce mobility, and that's what should be our goal rather than just promoting car-oriented growth, building more flyovers, building more elevated expensive solutions.
यूनाइटेड नेशन तक सबने इसको सराहा है। भारत के सभी भागों से गुजरात के सफल प्रयोग को देखने के लिए लोग आते हैं। आइए इस प्रयोग को आप अनुभव करें, हम सब मिलकर उसे सीखें और अधिक अच्छी व्यवस्थाओं को विकसित करें और सामान्य मानवीय की गति को बरकरार रखें।
Vibrant Gujarat now hosts another invaluable jewel in its crown. Through responsible and mindful good governance, the Janmarg inspires the whole world to develop effective modes of public transport. Internationally acclaimed, the story of Ahmedabad is now one of the topmost success stories of modern India.